Today I am making vegan sour cream mashed potatoes, which honestly should not be allowed to be this easy and this delicious. This recipe is also perfect for Thanksgiving, and trust me, no one will know it's vegan. If you want to follow along with the recipe on my website, link is below as usual. So for this recipe, you're going to need 3 pounds of potatoes. I am using Yukon Gold, which I really love because they have this creamy, rich flavor that's delicious. But you can also use russet potatoes if you prefer those. And I am using Kite Hill vegan sour cream, which is the one that I recommend. I have tried a couple of others, and honestly, this one is just absolutely the best. Like, it is spot on with its taste and texture. And we're also going to need some plain unsweetened almond milk, vegan butter, chives, and salt and pepper. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is peel and chop the potatoes into 1-inch pieces. So by cutting the potatoes into small pieces, what we're doing is enabling them to cook a little bit faster when we boil them, which coincidentally is the next step. So I'm going to put my potatoes into a large saucepan and cover them with water. And I'm just going to turn the heat up and let them boil for about 15 minutes or until they're fork tender. Once they're soft, we're just going to drain the water out and return the potatoes back to the pot. I actually like to save my water for my potted herbs because they seem to really like my leftover cooking water. And I am just taking a potato masher and mashing the potatoes up until they're nice and soft. And I'm adding in 1/2 cup of the vegan sour cream and 3 tablespoons of vegan butter as I continue to mash. Eventually you should have a nice creamy texture. I'll also add some salt and pepper to taste here, and you can add some more sour cream or vegan butter if you want to. Now I'm just going to add some of my almond milk. This is optional, but it will give you an even creamier texture. So I am starting with 1/4 cup, and you can add up to 1/2 cup of the almond milk until you reach the texture that you want. So we're basically done here. I have transferred the potatoes into these 2 bowls. I couldn't find my bigger bowls, so I've got 2 smaller bowls. What are you gonna do? Anyway, all we have to do now is just mix some chives in there. I have 1/4 cup of chopped chives here, and we're gonna take 3 tablespoons, so about 3/4 of that, and mix it in. The other tablespoon is going to be reserved for garnish on the top. This is so good. Thank you for watching. I do have more vegan Thanksgiving recipes coming, so if you're not sure what to make for Thanksgiving that's vegan, hit subscribe. Hopefully I can give you some inspiration. See you next time.